Yo, hello guys. So we are going to be it's my first tutorial video. Well, not my first. Now I've done Unity, but it's my first C++ tutorial video. Now guys, no, do not make fun of my voice. Okay guys, we will be learning the programming language C++. Now C++ like guys, trust. It's a really Sigma language. Pause, guys. Please like and subscribe before you get into it. Now, C++. Yes. But yes, guys, C++, this language. That is the logo of the language. Now, why it's important is because the language needs to be cool, which it kinda does. But anyways, guys, C++. It's, so this is what it does. It's a bus programming language to make games because it's using a lot of game engines, like Unreal Engine, Fortnite, and it does some other stuff too. And I guess basically it's a bus language in a world, and bus being like it could do most stuff. Like it could do a lot. It can make AI programs. It's just good everything. Now, why a fourth program? Now let's get back a show video, like maybe 10 minutes. And it's gonna be a really simple program, but yeah, now guys, I'm using something called VS Code. Guys, don't mind that engine. We're using something called VS Code. Just look in the description. There'll be tons of stuff down there. To download. And also guys, I would literally not do this. I would not do this compiler. Like, hold on guys. I won't use compiler because it's extremely hard to set up. I'll use this compiler. It's online, free. It's exactly the same, besides it's just a website. But, hey guys, let's actually get into a program. Now we're going to do hashtag include IOStream. So bad. IOStream. Okay, that works. Yeah, okay, include IOStream. Now type that. I'm going to do int main. And then this, and we turn 0. Now we turn whatever we want. But just recommend it as 0. Now, this, if you want code, it does absolutely nothing besides it says return 0 or something like return exit code 0, something like that. Yeah, that means there's no errors. Now guys, I generally don't know what I'm saying, but guys, since this does nothing and we actually want to do stuff, let's write a first line code that actually does stuff. Now std, I actually don't know what it means, like I forgot. But trust, it's not the disease. It's not sexual transmitted disease. Guys, trust. Then STD, then colon cout, then these, then that, and type whatever you want in here. So we'll type hello world. Or like I like food, because I do like food. Guys, don't call me a big bug. And then we're going to do this, an std, and line, and then semicolon. Semicolons are in the sentence. Also guys, comments are these. Yeah guys, comments are these. You type whatever you want. It's your comment for people you can code. And now if you want to code, that's when I code shop. Also, it's a really fast language, as it's also a hard language. Now it says I like food. Why so? And yeah, why so? Now guys, now since we will force program. It does nothing besides prints out. Now we're gonna do some more stuff. Now, as a beginner, you should obviously learn functions. So outside of the int main, we want to do void. Well, actually, no. Before we do variables. Now, I don't know how to spell variables. I'm dumb, but that's close to it. Variables. A data type stored into just trust. So if you're in the least maelstrom, they teach you something called variables, and you gotta solve for the value of x algebra. Yeah, it's like this. So int is a number, then x is a variable, or you could do like num, then I equals 5. Then std, cl, then num, and then you want to do this, then num, and then you do that, and that will print out num5, because it does print out. Yep, num5, because that shows a variable. So we just change this, and it will change that. Because it's not be like a tutorial for beginners, so I'm going kind of fast, but yeah, guys, there's still a video down if you want. Now functions. Now function is reusable code. Now that's really good. So for example, if you want to say like hello world, like hello world, then like another hello world, like hello Johnny, like hello world and hello Johnny. It's kind of weird. Then they'll print these lines, but you'll have to do this. Now see, that just takes more lines. Now function is reusable code that takes less lines, so it's good. Now put outside the main, do void like hello whatever the name is, and that's the function. Does nothing. Now we paste our code in, think it was that, and now this code does nothing. But now if we do hello, it will now do this code in one line. That's super sure. Now if we just do this, that'll do it 3 times. This compiler is, there it goes. This does that. Now, at first program, now a string is different. This std string, but you also could do this little fun little thing trick. Type stuff. Std string to string. And now if you just type string, it'll work as the string name. Okay, then use input. Now it will accept some use input, and the use input will do the variable. Trust. Yes, compilers are actually like. Wait, why can't I even type? Yeah, that's broken, but it works. This way, actually, a program. It's gonna ask for your name. like enter your name. Now it'll say enter your name and you could draw your new name. No, it's not good. No, it'll just say hello name. Now this program should actually work and now glitch out. What the... Huh? Holy yeah, it's actually broken. What the... Let's see, I generally do not know what's wrong with this compiler. I am horrible at this, but... What the... Yeah, bro. It's still trying to execute code, I think. Well, anyways, guys, let's just do one code in online compiler, just so you guys could know what it actually does. Okay, copy this code, put in here. What's the compiler go? Right here. Okay guys, where's the compiler right here? Enter your name, then like bomb. That's the whole bomb. And that's what it does, but it's bar that one. Well, anyways guys, please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed. It's just part 1 of the C++ tutorial. And yes guys, you can't learn this language early on. We're trying, and that's kind of weird learning functions like the second thing you learn. But who really cares, guys? Just, age is just a number, not means the age consent, but like you learn anything at any age. So it doesn't matter what you are. Okay. I'm like dumb on my age, but I know it's so you could too. But yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys from 137 subs. And that's it right now. Big thanks for that. And more than 1,000 views on my first video. It's Woody Sigma. Yes, guys. Skip me to it.